examples. But let's get talking to one company, Suntech Realty. Kamal Khaitan, the CMD of Suntech Realty, now joins in. Hi, Mr. Khaitan. Thanks very much for joining in. We do understand that y'all are looking or y'all are ready to launch 4 new projects in Mumbai this quarter itself. Can you take us through what these projects are? Have you done any sort of pre-sales in it already? Where do they stand?
Good afternoon, Rina and everybody. These 4 projects what we are launching is, one is Signia High, that is in Borivali, which is close to 350,000 square feet. Another one is Signia Orion, which is in Navi Mumbai, that's close to 3 lakh square feet. And then we have one commercial project which is coming up in BKC NX, which is close to 100,000 square feet, that's 1 lakh square feet. And then the 4th project what we are launching, planning to launch, is in Andheri Kurla Road, which is called Signia Pride, which is close to 60,000 square feet. So all put together 4 projects is equivalent to like 1 million square feet. And the sales what we are, the revenue from which what we are expecting from 4 projects is approximately close to 1,000 crores.
Okay, and this 1,000 crore of revenue potential will be spread out over how many years? And purely in FY16, how much of this 1,000 crore you can generate?
See, 1,000 crore of this revenue, we are looking to complete this project over a period of 3 years. Some of the this over a period of 3 years, and in FY16 at least we are looking to target to at least sales from this projects at least 50% of the minimum, on a conservative side, 50% of the inventory from these projects.
Okay. Kamal, you've already launched these projects, but do you have anything which is already, where you're already generating any sort of sales or completion of sales that you can tell us about, your current projects on stream?
So these projects we are launching it, and some of the pre-sales definitely we have done. That is not much, that is 10-20% of it. But
so 10-20% of all 4 projects, or maybe one project? Can you just tell us what the pre-sales is?
So from what we have done, some pre-sales is in 2 projects. You can say Signia High and Signia Orion, which is in Borivali and Navi Mumbai, and we have close to sold the inventory close to 20-25%.
Are the new launches coming in at higher realizations, and if yes, how much compared to a year ago?
Yeah, definitely. The new launches are definitely coming up. The new launches, what we are doing in this new launch, the rates are definitely going up, and we can see that there is an uptake in the, people are looking at where the track record of definitely there is a, if you see a good track record of a developer, and if the developer is lower leverage, then under construction sales have started picking up, and that's what we are seeing it with us as well.
Okay. How are you all funding these 4 projects? Any sort of debt that you all are taking on? Any partners?
See, we have been, if you see that we have been following very prudent method, that only whenever we required, we take construction finance, but here we are expecting a lot of cash flow generation from the pre-sales itself, so we don't see much of the debt. If required, we'll just go for some construction finance from here. Overall, we are, just to mention, overall what we are doing under construction, there are 11 projects. So out of the 11 projects, we have already completed in fact 5 projects, and 6 projects are under construction. And when we add this another 4 projects, so again there will be close to 11 projects. So the revenues what we will see from all total 11 projects.
Okay. All right.
Not restricting to these 4 projects.
Fair enough, Mr. Khaitan. So there's a lot of activity taking place at Suntech Realty. The stock also is quite excited in trade. It's up close to about 3%. Thanks so much for joining us on CNBC TV 18 and sharing the company's progress. Now, over the long weekend, CNBC TV 18 caught up with a whole host of the top CEOs at the Indo-US Summit.